Won't you send me a break? 'Cause I need to get away. Dear God, won't you send
I'm
me
good.
a break?
And when you guys are cleaning, you gotta make sure you guys are wearing gloves. I can't stress enough, some of these chemicals are no joke to your skin. So invest on buying some gloves, and you can buy these in Amazon. Hi YouTube, welcome back to another video. If you're new here, my name is Toto Dinan and I make videos about my life. Today is a Tuesday and it's like negative 26 outside, and in today's video I'll be showing you guys how I clean my house, how I keep it in. I'm gonna give you guys some tips and tricks on how I keep my house clean all the time. Tip number one, don't be lazy. We're gonna first start with our beddings. Now I change my beddings once a week just because you have to. When I clean, I usually start with my laundry first because once it's in the washer, I've got about 1 hour to do other things.
About the healer, greater is the one within and call him as the leader. Teach her how to hold a pretty hand up to the sky. And never wait upon the giver, he'll deliver like a dealer. Take her higher.
So next up is my shower tiles. If you guys own a shower tiles, you guys know how hard it is to keep it clean and free of mold. So I've had this house for about 3 years now, and as you guys can see, my shower tiles are so clean, but it's still very important to keep it maintained. So my tips and tricks for this is every other day I would spray my tiles with this product. This helps with the water stain not sticking to the tiles. And there would be times that I'd forget to clean for a while, and then I would use the pink stuff for bathroom to get rid of the water stains. So these are the products that I use on my walls. I actually use a different product on my floor. So how I use this is I spray on the floor, I brush it and leave it on overnight, and I would let the chemicals do its work.
I'm working on them soul things now, forgiving all your old ways.
Now that I've cleaned the top, I'm gonna rinse the walls.
Never been a product of a flawless environment. Never acted like I'm higher than you. And I still pray. Dear God, won't you send me a break? 'Cause I need to get away. Dear God, won't you send
I'm
me
good.
a break?
And when you guys are cleaning, you gotta make sure you guys are wearing gloves. I can't stress enough, some of these chemicals are no joke to your skin. So invest on buying some gloves, and you can buy these in Amazon. Everything I'm using, I'll link it down below in my description. Now that we sprayed the whole shower, we're going to give it about 10 to 15 minutes. And then we're gonna use this brush to start brushing the walls. So in the meantime, we're gonna dust and clean the cabinets. So I just finished cleaning upstairs. I'm now in the main space, and first things first, we're gonna dust. These are some of the books I am currently reading right now. I've got 2, 4, 5. Yeah, these are the books that I'm reading right now. Gotta shift to 10 a.m. Gotta dip at 10 p.m. Gotta get that cash, won't get past
past the lunch break. I ain't had a smoke break in about 2 days. You wait, been about 3 years since I dated you. Why you still talking about me like we together? I moved on for the better. You moved on to whoever. I was down for whatever, and then some. You gon' make me late to work again. Ooh, better today than yesterday.
If you guys have cabinet above your microwave, this is where all the oil builds up when you turn on the fan. With these cabinets up here, I clean it once a week with just hot water and a cloth. If you guys can see, that's where the oil builds up. And if you guys don't clean this weekly, the oil buildup is gonna be really hard to clean. So I really recommend that you wipe this down every week. So we are gonna move on to our stones. I did clean my backsplash a week ago, so I don't have to worry about that right now. So for my quartz and stone, I use the product called Weiman. These are really good. I like these in my stone.
Then I got pieces and pages, talking a lot. Sorry, I'm faded.
I'm now gonna clean my cooktop, and I also use the Weiman. Just make sure there's no food in the cooktop before you start spraying and cleaning this. Now sometimes it gets like really bad. I have a different way of cleaning that, and so as today it's not that bad, so I'm not going to do that. As you guys can see, that looks brand new. Again, I'm going to link all these down in my description. I just get these all from Amazon or your local Walmart or Canadian Tire or whatever, but to make it simple for you guys, just get everything in Amazon. Alright guys, one more thing before we leave the kitchen. We don't want to forget our stainless steel. Like again, I use Weiman. I've been using Weiman since I've gotten the house, which is 3 years ago, and I never had any problem. And so if it's not broken, don't fix it. When you guys clean your stainless steel, just look closely where your grain goes. So my grain goes that way, and so when I wipe it, I go with the grain. If you go against the grain, that will just scratch it. Always go with the grain if you're cleaning stainless steel. Alright guys, we are into our last part of my kitchen, which is the sink. As you guys can see, I have black sink, but I will show you guys a hack how I keep it brand new. First things first, we're gonna clear our sink. I use the Method dish soap to clean. What we're gonna do first is we're gonna make sure that everything here is wet. We're gonna pour down some soap. Grab yourself some sponge. We're gonna brush. And after we scrub this, we're just gonna rinse it with water. Next thing is we're gonna dry this with a dry cloth. All right, our next step is, so once it's dry, I forgot what these are called, but I will take a screenshot and you'll see in the screen what it's called. And this is how I get my sink like brand new. And these are what I do to keep my kitchen clean. I've also shown you guys the products that I use to clean my stone, to clean my stainless steel, and also my stove top. And so we're basically done cleaning the kitchen now. So we just have the toilet and the floors to clean, and then we're all done for today. All right guys, to clean the toilet bowl, very simple. I'm gonna use Lysol first. Again, we're gonna use the disinfectant. I only use 2 products for disinfecting and my glass cleaner. vacuum I'm using is called Shark Rocket, and I've had this since I got the house and I've never had any problem with this. It still runs like brand new, and if it does die on me, I'll probably buy another one. I'm just mopping my kitchen twice because this is a high traffic area. Now, this is the moment of truth. I'm gonna go dump the water out in the toilet, and you guys are gonna see how dirty it is. As you guys can see, that's pretty clean. And that is how I keep my floor clean with only 2 products that are non-toxic. I've been using those for 3 years and my floors always looks amazing after I'm all done cleaning. And those are what I do to keep my house clean. Now, I don't do this every week because that would be crazy. I haven't reached that point yet. And I also don't do them all in one day. I kind of spread them out throughout the week so that I don't feel like I'm just cleaning all day. And if you guys have your own cleaning routine and products that works for you, I really suggest you shouldn't change anything, but I just wanted to share the products that I use that's been working for me for 3 years. That is it for the video today. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Comment down below if you guys have any questions. I'll see you guys next time. Goodbye. I'll see you guys in the next video. Goodbye. And I'll see you guys in the next video. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Goodbye. And I'll see you guys in the next video. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.
6.5 hours later.
And I'll see you guys in the next video.